Hello, Chef here. Got another recipe for you, and I've got the world's smallest acorn squash. Smallest one I've ever come across. A farmer gave me this. So this one here only weighs 2 ounces, whereas your regular acorn squash is a pound or upwards. So 2 ounces, 16 ounces. Let's get into this. Okay, so this small acorn squash, I'm going to cut this baby in half. Now to do that, sometimes you have to remove the stem. And I find using the back of the knife works pretty well for that normally. Wow. It's a tough one, but I did get it off. Okay, so we want to cut this perfectly down the center. You need a sharp knife. Keep your hands out of the way. And just go down like this. Oh, this baby's tough. Nice clean cut. Remove the seeds. Oh, yeah. Okay, I like to put the squash in a small metal container like this for roasting. And I'm going to be adding a few things to this. Here we go. I've got some extra virgin olive oil. Helps it brown. I've got some brown sugar, a little bit, gives it the nice sweet taste. Oh yeah. I'm going to add some cinnamon, just a touch, a pinch of cinnamon, and I've got some Brazilian vanilla extract. I'm going to put just a little bit of this in here, and if you need to get this, visit the sponsor. They got the best vanilla on earth. I'm going to be using a dropper for my vanilla since the squash is so small. Five drops in each. A small piece of butter for each of the squash, and I'm going to bake this at 325 Fahrenheit until it's done. I'm going to estimate 30 minutes. I'll be back. The smaller squash took about 40 minutes. Looking really, really good. I'm going to finish it with one more thing. It's a little bit of fresh ground pepper, a touch of the pink sea salt. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right here. Like, share the videos. Oh, let's do a tasting. I'm curious if this tastes better than the large acorn squash. Wow. Made in USA, braided stainless steel. It's got a white nylon coating for comfort. This glove will last. I'm going to guess it will last you 10 to 20 years, using it heavily. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Visit the sponsor, shop small, and have a wonderful holiday season. Wow, the Jambus Pukina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Oh yeah. I'm using one of my favorite high heat spatulas. Watch the next video and learn more about this. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow, I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah. Update your kitchen. Contact the sponsor for cutting edge blocks as seen on TV. In this video, I'm using the Kasumi titanium knife. Love it. This one's going on about 10 years. Just keeps going. dragon fruit. Now, look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from out of the vanilla bean right there. The sticky. That's what you want right there. Let's put it back in. Okay, and we're going to put this beautiful, beautiful bean right into this jar and get this extract going. I do want some of the seed specks to come out. That was one of the reasons why I split it. And it's quite simple. Here we go. Hello, Chef here once again, bringing you some more valuable information and some facts with some of the finer things in life. Wow, Madagascar vanilla bean. Look at that fat, sticky, soft, juicy bean. To get the best vanilla beans, just visit the sponsor. Like I said, these are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons. The beans are fully fermented now. They've some of the flavors extracted into the liquor, and this is ready to go. This is going to be really good. It's going to be strong. I use a clean white towel, wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. So check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. We're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,